Today's analysis starts with SPY on the hourly time frame, no pre or post market action shown. Let's hop right into this, break it down. We had a powerful wave pushing down an emotive wave, forming a channel. I have that shown in blue at the minuet level. I've shown the sub minuet waves there as well. These are the waves that form the extension of that blue third minuet wave. When that retraced, we're expecting the retracement to come into that second wave of the extension, which it just about did. From that point on, we've just been grinding sideways, which hurts. So I'm calling it a triangle. The extent of minute wave 3 and the minuet wave 5 agreeing with each other here, bottoming out towards 375, and then beginning the triangle. I thought it'd be appropriate to call wave A 4. They kind of match. It's kind of messy. It's a little messy. I like it though. My larger analysis supports a dump here, which would be wave 5. And since minuet wave 3, or minute wave 3, really didn't extend all that much, I'm thinking wave 5 could. And if it does, it'll be a race to the bottom, and that's where my bias is. So SPY, I'm expecting lower, but we are still grinding sideways. We're finishing up this triangle. I like this improved wave count. Moving on to AMC. Whoa, I've got a lot of analysis on AMC, and it's been pretty spot on for a very long time. And we've recently finished this big correction from the massive dump from 26. I sold the rest of my shares, I should say, at around 26, 22 or something like that. And it was a good call because, wow, price just keeps dumping. And now I'm ready actually for a bounce, but there's probably still a little more downside. And I say that because the price is in a downtrend, and it's not really fighting it. Not a whole lot. I'm going to zoom in here if I can. This is what I get for not zooming in enough initially. Just pull this up. Be like, come on. So that white trend line, that shows the bottom of a broadening bottom. And we have broken out of there. The price is now consolidating along there, and I have a triangle forming up, and there is a price target at 293 for that breakout downward. It looks like we're going to get there, especially if SPY dumps. I'm expecting AMC to follow. Implied volatility at the moment is pretty high. We had a jump back at around, when was that? December, as the price made this huge dump, and it's just been going up as it goes down, and when it goes sideways, it's going sideways. I do expect to see the price of AMC continue to drop further, implied volatility to rise, and that will affect the value of puts significantly to the upside. I am holding puts on AMC because I am expecting to reach that 293 target. Now, let's go to GME. GameStop. I have some more analysis on GameStop. At the minute level shown in white. Oh no, I can't zoom in. Do you see that? Ugh. Okay, sometimes it does this, and all I have to do is like drop a drawing down, and then it's like, oh yeah, go ahead and zoom in. So here we are at the minute level with the triangle, and then, hey, look at that. Another motive wave following a channel shown in blue at the minuet level. In there, I have the yellow sub-minuet waves shown as well. I'm not really going to go over them. I did have a forecast to see GameStop come down, try to find a bottom, and then pull up into minute wave 4, which could come up to the bottom of minute wave 1. Minute wave 1 being back here, bottoming around $22, so it's possible GameStop could rally back up to that level. However, if the markets continue to dump, I would expect to see GameStop come down a little further, and that's kind of what I have shown here. I don't have a price target currently on GameStop. It does look like I'm anticipating that we've seen sub-minuet wave 1, and 2, and 3 would probably have to extend outside of this channel, unless wave 5 does, in which case the bounce back would be dramatic, and that might be what we see is a big dump and push higher. AMC Theaters here in the corner. Statement changes and benefit ownership. Great. More of that. That notification's been going off all day. Well, at least for the last hour. A lot going on there. SLV. I did take profits on puts on SLV today, or a put. You can see I have a triangle shown in here. There's like all this gobbledygook, all these lines. I do think we're going to see a little dip further before another bounce, but gotta say I nailed that one. I'm just going to start showing this screen every once in a while at the very end. These are my current positions. You can see I have some AMC puts. Only one of them's in the money. I am down $10 on those. I did make money on that SLV put today. That was fantastic. And you can see at, well, my P&L so far for the year is positive. It's not super positive. It's a small account, you know. It's important to not risk any more money than you can afford to lose. And honestly, the way I'm trading with these single-sided options contracts, this is not advisable. This is not advisable. if you're into trading, this is like watching a Daredevil. Watch me do analysis and then put money on it. It's like ideally I'd be buying long and selling short because those positions don't deteriorate with time like options do, but whatever. So that's what I have for today. I'm talking about SPY, SLV, GameStop, and SPY. Did I say it already? I don't know. Blah, blah, blah.